So if you've ever seen those reels on Instagram that have the memes and you've been wondering how to recreate them, I'm going to show you how to do it. Hi, my name is Kayla Butler and I help content creators create better content with better results for their small businesses. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and let's get going. So I found this one from Awake Your Resilience and it's fun, energetic, and I think I can easily adapt this for my niche. So I know that these kinds of memes are usually created in CapCut, which is an app I can use on my desktop or an app on my phone. So I'm going to open up CapCut. So this is CapCut and I'm on the templates tab. You can search through all of their filters, but typically if I'm looking for a specific meme, I'll go to the search bar and I will type in something relevant to what I'm looking for. So I know it's Kevin Hart in the video and he's dancing, so I'll just go ahead and do a search for that. That said, we're going to go ahead and use this one. What you'll do is edit this and you'll click on items that you want to keep and items that you want to add. And so I've tapped on the text and I'm going to delete it because I want to add my own text. Now I can add text in here or I can add text when I upload it to Instagram, which is what I usually choose to do. So I will click on all the text here and click on the trash can. And now I will click on the actual media and then I clicked on the video. Then here it is, background. I'm going to click on background, then click on image, because what I want to do is I want to upload an image that's relevant to my brand or an image from my workspace or a stock photo that matches my brand. Now, if you don't have stock photos or you're looking for stock photos, check out ivorymix.com, the link's below. But I'm going to go ahead and use one for my workspace. And so here is one that I'm going to use. And if I click play, it'll preview everything the way that I have it. So that's it. Now I'm ready to go ahead and export it. You hit the export button. And you can directly share it from here to Instagram, or you can go to your camera or your gallery on your phone or your computer, wherever you're editing this in CapCut, and go and upload it to the platform you want to create this content on. Me, I'm going to use Instagram Reels, so I'm going to go straight to Instagram. So when I'm on a reel I want to create, I usually click on the reel, then go to the audio down at the bottom and click on the bookmark to save the audio, and then I will click on use audio, and I'm ready to upload that. And then I will click on text and I will go ahead and add the text that I want to add. If I don't know what text I want to do right now, I will save it to my drafts. This is the reel that I ended up creating. I haven't posted it yet. This is a draft of the actual meme, but there you have it. That's how you can create in CapCut. Now that you've learned how to do that in this video, you're ready to move on to the next step. And I've included all the links and resources in the links and description below.